Near and far from our dinner table, farmers grow our foods. It's hard work. Some years the harvest is plenty, but most years farmers face droughts or floods, diseases or pests. Whole crop fields can fail, and sometimes they do. A good harvest depends on many things, but growing crop varieties adapted to a particular environment increases a farmer's chances of success. These crop varieties must also address specific market demands. Our domesticated crops have slowly evolved throughout the 10,000 years since the inception of agriculture.
Crop diversity is the foundation of our agriculture. The countless variety of each crop house collectively, the traits need to adapt them to present and future challenges. Without crop diversity, we simply would starve.
Luckily, there exist institutions that look after this diversity. In Ethiopia, it's our National Gene Bank. Our National Gene Bank was founded in 1976. The main objective was to rescue the country's plant genetic resources from the negative impacts of various human activities and natural calamities, and thereby support crop improvement programs. Today, our institute, known as the Ethiopian Biodiversity Institute, EBI, conserves the rich Ethiopia's biodiversity and associated indigenous knowledge, and ensures fair and equitable access and benefit sharing, promoting sustainable utilization of the country's biodiversity. Our National Gene Bank has over 90,000 accessions belonging to 109 species. The arabica coffee collection alone counts with 5,500 accessions. There are also 705 root and tuber crops and 348 spices conserved in the field gene bank, and much, much more. Depending on the crop, we conserve its diversity in cold rooms as seeds, or plantlets in test tubes. Other crops we maintain as living field collections. We share this diversity with all kinds of users, plant breeders, and a host of other scientists, and farmers who are looking to grow new or once forgotten varieties in their fields. Our day-to-day job is to make sure this diversity is and remains alive forever. Why? Well, we do not know what trait found in a specific seed will help our farmers 5, 50, or 500 years from now. Every test must be carried out diligently, to the highest quality standards, from collecting seeds in farmers' fields to shipping copies for safety duplication in another gene bank. In some cases, a gene bank is all that prevents a variety from going extinct.
Some crop varieties can no longer be found in farmers' fields, while diversity is disappearing in natural spaces too. If the gene bank fails, for whatever reason, humanity will lose forever the traits housed in that specific variety. Our adaptability is in jeopardy.
Fortunately, we have a remarkable team of committed researchers, technicians, and field workers. Ethiopia is a signatory to the FAO's Plant Treaty, and this makes our National Gene Bank a part of a global system that, collectively, benefits all humanity. This system aims to make sure crop diversity is secure today, tomorrow, and during the next 100 years and beyond. We collaborate with countless partners, including international organizations, universities, farmer cooperatives, and other gene banks. Thanks to the Crop Trust Seed for Resilience project, generously funded by the federal government of Germany, we are raising our quality standards on all fronts. We want more and more people to use the diversity we conserve, so we strive to better understand its potential and share this information with all our users. And we invite farmers to evaluate gene bank materials in the field. We listen and learn together. Safeguarding and making available crop diversity is crucial for our survival. It needs to be valued accordingly. Sadly, stable funding to acquire latest technology and adequate installations is one of the continuous challenges gene banks across the world face, ours included. You may not hear much about us in the news, but these crop collections are invaluable. Our present and future food security depends on crop diversity. Our gene bank will ensure we safeguard and share this global common good for the betterment of all humanity.